Hello, today you're looking at a Mapco 32,500 CFM 25 horsepower PVC exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. The inlet here is 49 inches. Take a look at the wheel, it is spinning. We just turned it off. We'll turn it back on here in a second. Wheel's in very good condition. The outlet up top is 36 inches in diameter. Overall dimensions 84 inches long by 92 inches wide by 112 inches high. Does have a 25 horsepower motor on the other side of this green block here. Can be wired for 230 or 460 volt, currently wired at 460. There is the motor. Very nice conditioned unit. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it in operation. The wheel is a 48-inch diameter wheel on the inside. Very nice machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.